What is up, guys? Today I want to share with you some AI tools that can help you make money. The first page that I want to show you is mixo.io. It's a website where you can have a name for your business, a logo, and a landing page in a matter of seconds. This website can help you a lot since when we start a business, we usually don't have something physical to see. We only have the idea, right? You will go directly to this page where you can describe your business idea. Here you can be as specific as you want. For this example, let's say that we want to create a digital academy for cryptocurrency trading. Here, as you can see, the AI it's already working, looking for the resources, description, and it's looking for a good name and also a good logo. And let's see how it turns out. And it's ready. It only took 40 seconds. As you can see here, we have the name, we have the logo, the headlines, and how our website would be distributed. This is probably not the final website that you are going to use for your business, but come on. It only took 40 seconds, it is totally free, and it can help you visualize your idea, any idea that you probably have in mind. It is definitely an AI tool that you should use in the future. Well guys, the second AI tool that I want to share with you is waymark.com. It's an AI tool that can create video commercials that you can use to advertise your brand, your clothing store, your food store, your business, whatever you like. That means that you no longer have to spend money on video editors or marketing personnel. This tool can help you a lot, and I will show you exactly how it works. First, you have to put the name of your business, if you have any digital presence. For this example, I will use one of my companies, which is an online clothing store for men. Once you put the name, the AI will start looking for all the social media pages that can match for that. And as you can see here, I have my Instagram page, and you have to select it, and also the AI will extract all the data and start working on your commercial video completely free. Here is taking information from the images, comments, and also the users. Remember that the AI is going to take advantage of all the possible data that you have on your account. Well guys, the data has been loaded, and the next thing is to tell this AI to give me a commercial to promote my clothing brand. Here we can use the tone that we want, whether it's fun or professional. In this case, I will choose a professional tone just to see how it goes. Remember that this example is live and I am using my own company, so you can see everything that is happening in real time. And that's it. It only took a few seconds and I already have my commercial. Let's take a look. Well, it's pretty good, a bit flat, but for being free, it's not bad. Now I will try to make one more fun, and let's see how it works. I also like this video. I hope these AI tools can help you in the future, and if you don't want to miss anything, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.